Hi teman-teman, hari ini kita mau unboxing.
Okay.
So, yeah. Ini cream. Any oil for the hair. Yeah. And any bag. Yes. Any skincare for the face and stuff. Any cleanser. Yes. Any serum acid. Yes. And any moisturizing gel. Yes. Any perfume set.
Perfume set, and then you sold them, you open it. What's the name of the perfume, miss?
So the generic.
So you sell them the name then? No, you can't even see, no? Oh yeah, so is that what's so
Any lip balm.
you need lip balm?
Yes.
Is it?
Huh.
Try, but you try the second one.
Any perfume. Yes.
Perfume.
And any body lotion. Yes. Same one here. And any body wash. Yeah. Cool.
Wangi, smell nice.
Yeah.
The wangi.
Wangi.
What smell like? That's not. You open all already. Hair speech. Huh? You have opened all already. You said, oh my God, that quick. That quick. Oh my God. So what's this? Have you saw them the? How's this?
Don't break the box.
So try the cream. How's the cream?
Okay.
Like what you buy? Okay, let me stop now.
You won't believe how nice it is.
Huh?
You won't believe how cute and nice it is. Try. Span down. How spongy. Look how soft it is.
But we buy before.
Yeah, but this is soft. This is different. You don't understand.
None. Look.
The fluffiness.
But we buy before, remember?
Yeah, but look, this.
Huh?
Makan. Luis, pandan.
Man, why you need to...
Saya makan cake. Oh, I finished. Why?
Okay, teman-teman, makan.
Makan.
Okay, teman-teman, unboxing sudah onyo. Oh, dadah. Teman-teman, lanjut makan. Ini makan ini goreng.
Ayam goreng.
Ayam goreng.
Mashed potato.
Mashed potato.
The soup is cool now, but I don't have the oh. Sorry.
No.
And we'll get to your pills as well. Okay? Okay. Here it is. You got it?
In every memory, you'll stay near. A love like yours, I'll always cheer. You're gone, but you're not far apart. You'll always live forever in my heart.
Forever in my heart, you'll never leave. In every moment we'll both believe.
You know, when Gerald or I was on your side forever. Now go for those pills. Sweet. Anna? Just are you sure this is Diet Coke? It tastes sweet. You keep asking me that. Remember? It's a new formula. It tastes just like regular, but no sugar. Because my doctor said not at all, since my tests were in 200s. That's right. See? I don't know how they answer stuff. Tastes good. Not a problem. Is there anything there from the list? I'm still looking through. Don't know yet.
You eat that one? Nice. Have you make it one?
Mom, I haven't been answering my calls anymore, so I wanted to write to you. Last time we spoke, you told me your sugar's high and your eyesight wasn't as good as it used to be. But I hope you're still able to see this photo of Emily. She's getting so big now. I know you have her ups and downs, but I just want you to know I miss you. I hope you're going to read this letter. Please write back to me if you can.
No. I don't like. No.
Junk mail, credit card scams, just same old stuff, you know. When Jim was a little girl, she used to write me letters all the time. And even though we lived in house,
And then you toss it,
and then the person, right?
No.
And then don't make it.
I was reading
It's not that this is
It breaks my heart to hear you so sad. Do something to cheer you up. Maybe we could try calling on you again. We can. I just hope that whenever we try, she doesn't answer. It just makes her worse.
No, that's not work.
Wanted to talk to you, she would call. Please, just call.
No. You
Just
don't
one time.
I don't need
I will call. You'll answer my
So you eat that. I don't want it. Well, I'll call. I don't. Give me a fork.
With a knife.
I got a knife there.
Miss Vanessa you said the chicken wing? What chicken wing?
Munchie.
Chicken wing. I am going.
Need to cut down on munchie. Too much grace.
That's it.
Sorry. Let's take your beds. You feel better after this. And
Okay, teman-teman. Hari ini makan sudah. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, teman-teman. Skincare time. Okay, teman-teman. We are back. So, ordinary ini set. Here. Yes. So, first, ini cleansing. Oh. This was open. Now we will wash it. Okay, now very refreshing. Okay, next ini serum. One moment. Okay, now so now we blend it in. Okay, now any moisturizing. Okay, teman-teman, sudah skincare, very glowy, and yeah, dadah.